Last time we did 4 lessons. Now let's do few more. First, we sign in. We are gonna start with create an account with continue with Google. While you are picking an account, please pick the same one you picked last time. As I picked this account last time, I'll pick this. We'll start from my dashboard. We'll go down till we find my courses. We'll press view. I'll press view course for now, but you can also press continue lesson. Last time, as we did 4, I'm gonna start from the 5th one, which is right here. Let's start with it. It's starting with a video, which says pair programming. It's gonna help you program in a pair. Once you are done, press continue. I'm skipping it as I've seen it, but please watch it. And when you're done, press continue. The instruction says, play with these blocks to see what they make Scrat do. Get Scrat to the acorn to complete the level. So this block helps you go up. This block helps you go down. This one right, this one left. This is how you run your code, and if you are afraid, you can go step by step like this. When you're done, you can watch the video on 6th. When you're done with 2, 3, 4, 5. The video says debugging. Debugging is when you fix your code. When you have made a problem. When you are done, press continue. I'm skipping it as I've seen it, but please watch it. It says, figure out what is missing and then add blocks to get Scrat to the acorn. These gray blocks you can't delete. So you just have to add your blocks to the code. First, you can also see what happens, then you can add your changes. I'm going to help you with the most difficult ones. I'll just show you what happens. I hope you can finish the code. For now, I want you to do it, so I'm skipping them, but you can do it, please. I'm going to help you with the 11th one, as it's very difficult. This time, look at the code. It's going to be a bit confusing. How many times do I have to go fast? You can guess it. You were right. 3 times. I put it once, I put it twice, and I put it thrice. Once I'm done, I come here. Then which direction do I go? I go north. And I put it over here. Why not over here? Because if I go on these broken blocks, Scrat will fall in the river, which is very cold. First, let's run the code to see if it works. Wow, we got Scrat to the acorn. Let's go to our puzzle 12. Now, get the acorn any way you can. So there are many ways. I can show you a few. There's one here, help you pick one and show. So we can first use a repeat loop. A repeat loop is when you can repeat things again and again without putting those many number of blocks. Just you set your number over here, how many times you want to do it, and put your block inside. You can put several blocks, even a repeat loop. So first, which direction we go? You choose the path. We can do north and then west, or should we go west and then north? I'll go on with north and then west. How many times do we go? If we are here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've changed this 3 into a 4 right here. Now, over here we are. Then, to get the acorn, we need to go 4 sides. Which one it is? Let's first put a repeat loop. If we are here, we can't go east. South will go back to where we were. And east and north will just go here. So let's go on with west and see what happens. Let's press run to see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. North, 1, 2, 3, 4, west. Wow! We got scratched to the acorn and completed our lesson 5. We completed lesson 5. Yay! Let's continue to go on to lesson 6. Even start with the video that says BB8. BB8 is this robot over here, and Ray is this one character. He's the instructor and he's the one who will do the work, which will code him. Watch this video to see what they can do. I'm skipping it for now as I've seen it, but please watch it. Once you are done, press continue. This time you also have a repeat loop to do it. So if you go north, you know what happens. You can use a repeat loop. And you have to get this scrap metal that looks like this. Let's see what you do. You can do 2, 3, 4, 5 yourself. If you want help, I'll meet you at the 6th one. Wow, this one looks very confusing. Let me help you. First, which direction do we go? If we go north, it will come here, west here, east here, south here. Which one's closest? Let's go on with going south. Then, to collect these 2 scrap metals, which side do we go? We go east. How many times? You can guess. 3 times. You were right, it's 3 times. So I'm going to put a repeat loop. Which side do we have to go? East. Then I put it right here. From there, we are here. What side we go? You can guess. You were right. It is south. How many times? 2. So let's just put 2 blocks, or should we put it in a repeat loop? Let's go on with putting it in a repeat loop. 2 times. And south. Let's see what happens when we run our code. But first, I'll show you how many blocks we can use. It says workspace 7/7. 6/7 blocks. We have used 6, but we could also use 7. So we use 1 block less. Now let's see if it works. It collected 2 of the scrap metals already. 3 now and 4. And our code is complete and we got everything we wanted to. Let's continue. Please do 7, 8, 9, 10 on your own. I'll meet you on the 11th. The 11th one is over here. Did you know we can also put repeat loops in a repeat loop? We can. We are going to use that for the puzzle. This time we can use 9 blocks. First, which side we go? You are right, it's north. How many times? 2. So let's convert setting this to 2. Which side? North. So it gets us over here collected 2 of the scrap metals. Then we go which side? 2 times west. You are right. We said we'll go west, so I put this block. Now look, it's repeating the same. So why don't we use a repeat loop? I told you we'll use a repeat loop in a repeat loop, so this is what we are going to do. That will help us do this code we did to here, to here. We are going to do it 2 times over here. We will use 6 blocks. We could have the ability to use 9 blocks. But we did 3 times. This is how the code works. As we put a repeat loop, this code got repeated twice. Let's continue. We can use this all in repeat loops in a way, but we can use 14. So the code we can do is 2 times, you guess it, it's east. After that we come here. So we go south twice. Let's put a repeat loop again. That will get us over here. Wow, so many spaces left. Let's count how many numbers we have to go west. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put a repeat loop. It was 4 times west. That will get us right here. Then what do we have to do? You guessed it right. A repeat loop again. Guess the number? It's 4. Yep. Which sign? You were right. It's not. I press run. Wow, we are halfway doing it. Wow, we completed lesson 6. We'll just do one more. It says we completed lesson 6 and continue to go on to lesson 7. In this lesson, it tells you about loops and ways you can use it. You can see one way in the screen. Bye. I hope you like, share, and subscribe.